Leaked information on Samsung's unpacked lineup, which includes the Galaxy's Fold 7, has confirmed the final few unknowns and exposed all the features. With its slim design and larger camera module, the Z Fold 7 is a high-end, streamlined gadget. It is known that the inside display is 8 inches and 4.2 millimeters thick, which makes it lighter than the S25 Ultra. With a weight of 215 grams and a Samsung Ceramic 2 panel, the phone is more robust and long-lasting. Like the Sony Xperia series, the cover screen is 6.5 inches diagonal and features a 21 by 9 aspect ratio, along with the Pro Visual Engine to improve image quality, especially in low light. The Z Fold 7 features the same 200-megapixel primary camera as the S25 Ultra. The resolution of the under-display camera on the inner screen is a punch hole, whereas the cover screen selfie camera has a larger sensor. Samsung also unveils AI-driven features like summarization and picture assistance. For the 1TB storage version, there is a 16 GB RAM option, but only in the US and Europe. Videos may now be played on the F7 for up to 24 hours, which is an additional hour above the full 6. The F7 delivers a 41% boost in AI workloads and up to 38% quicker CPU performance. With full-screen exterior displays and thinner bezels on the cover screen, the Z Flip 7 and Flip 7 FE are also highlighted. A smaller display than the Watch Ultra and the Watch 6 Classic from 2 years ago is a feature of the Watch 8 range, which also includes the Watch 8 Classic. The redesigned One UI 8 watch interface with tile-based layouts and other health tracking features are also highlighted by Samsung. Finally, a trifold phone with the Tecno name has been spotted in the hands of a person. It folds similarly to Samsung phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.